Hello guys, morning. So ayun, nakapag-travel kami dito sa Shantik Agriculture Coffee Tasting, Tea Tasting, and Cocoa Tasting. So delicious. Set up, set up. Okay. Ako naman yung next. Ayan guys. So syempre nag-isang picture-picture muna kami. Mm-mm. Bang. Well,
Yung pala gusto lang pala yung title.
Confess
Tapos
bigla.
umami.
Confess siya, gamit mga song na title ng mga song. One more, one, two, three.
Ganun na yung style ngayon ni Shella, no? Dihadaan na sa kanta. Ay, nasabi niyo na. Halata ka naman. Sama sabi ni Eric ba? Si Mag-Gusto. Friends lang.
Okay guys, now you can see the animal over here.
so papasok na kami ngayon dito. Oh my God! So ito yung live animal na talagang nagpupup.
We saw luwak. We have for
Luwak.
luwak. Yeah. This is one for showing. After
Mm.
1 week, 2 week, are released back in the forest. Then we take you from the luwak.
Ah.
Not stay in here the long time. Why? So we
Mm,
keep only the sample from the customer.
just to show.
Yeah,
So
just to show.
so they return it and then some other will.
Parang pro animal.
Yeah, because
So the luwak, not normally natural animal. Living
Ah.
all day and day and night.
What's it looking for?
hindi mapakali yan siya kasi nga gusto niya lumabas. Oo.
So the luwak is with fruit, papaya, banana, and coffee bean. Vegetarian animal.
Mm-mm.
They end up inside the poop coffee bean, red skin coffee bean, and the luwak they eat coffee bean. After they eat coffee bean, they swallow the bean.
They shit.
After they swallow the bean, the fermentation. Fermentation from the stomach. After the fermentation, they came out same like the coffee bean. Why they came out same like the coffee bean? Because the luwak they eat only the skin, and then the bean only they swallow the fermentation. Yeah, after they came out, I will collect poop coffee bean in the forest. We collect in the forest and the morning dye with farmer in Bali. After we collect, we process. And then we dry, we wash by hot water, we remove by skin and we roasting. Not in here we collect the poop, yeah?
Okay.
And maybe we collect the poop here, we collect only normal poop. Not the
Only
coffee bean.
normal po.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because in here we can keep the coffee bean.
Okay.
Because the lot they eat coffee bean in the jungle.
Ah,
The
the
coffee bean
jungle.
are good quality coffee. Yeah.
Okay. Very
This
nice.
is from the low coffee and Bali coffee.
Any comments about sinabi ni Kuya?
This from the Bali coffee is very strong or bitter. And it is from the low coffee.
Anong masasabi mo sa sinasabi ni Kuya tungkol sa mga luwak coffee?
This on the low coffee is for happy habit. And then the Bali coffee is for headache.
Ah, headache.
The Bali coffee.
What coffee is good for the hangover?
So, in-comment nga ni Kuya kanina yung tungkol doon sa luwak coffee. Oo nga. Kawawa naman yung ano doon, alamid mag-isa siya. Kaya pakawalan nga daw yan siya. Picture naman tayo.
nga ako kasi pinapakita ko nga.
Bex, magpipicture nga rin ako ng isang ganyan. Oo. Hindi yun nangangalmot. Thank you, Bex. Selfie tayo, be. Selfie, dear. Selfie. So, ayun na nga. Pupunta na tayo doon. At nag-picture-picture lang. Ayun. So, pupunta tayo ngayon dito.
This are good for stamina and energy. In here, ginseng we make coffee from the root.
Mm.
And And the process of ginseng coffee, we take the room. After we take the room, we
Kailangan ko
try.
talaga dear.
After that, we try.
Dear, ano yung sinasabi mo dito tungkol sa...
After the powder, we got it. After we make the powder, we mix.
Jar
Bali
powder.
coffee, coconut sugar, and cyanur. We call ginseng coffee.
Ah, ginseng. Ah, that's why.
In Bali, maybe you call
Tong-
honeymoon coffee.
Tongkat Ali?
Maybe
Tongkat
I
Ali.
need it. You gotta declare good for kami na.
Ano yan?
Do you need the honeymoon coffee?
Honeymoon coffee. No, I don't have honeymoon.
Bibili tayo ng honeymoon coffee.
Bumili kayo ng honeymoon coffee para magpampalakas sa mga tuhod, ha?
Magpa-honeymoon. Ang bugo mo naman, Dex, nag-vlog ka ba?
Personal vlog lang. Personal vlog lang to. Ayan, itong mga kape-kape.
Alam po siya na poop animal, step by step. We spray it. After we spray it, we wash the hot water. After we wash the hot water, we dry. We dry in the sun until 1 week. After we dry, we remove by skin. We remove by skin, one by hand until the skin. You see the bean? And after we remove, we roasting. We roasting 45 minutes, 1 kilo, until become the brown color dark before dig. Before dig, we have 1 hour, 22 hours, until become the powder. And the last one is city. We make the powder. This is the Bali coffee from the tree, Arabica robusta. So the Bali coffee, high caffeine and low coffee.
So, ito nga guys, ini-explain nga ni Kuya yung pag, ano ng kape.
Special enzyme. And then the bean from the tree, the fermentation from the enzyme. This is the cacao bean, we make mocha cloud.
Ayan naman daw, cacao beans naman daw
The
yun.
Bali coffee, we call mocha.
Mocha.
We have the
Ayan.
spicy ginger, turmeric, and lemongrass. In here we make tea, herbal tea.
Lemongrass. Nice. Oo nga, pang tinola.
What's this?
This is the mango stem. Yeah, in here the mango stem we make tea from the skin. This one good for anti-cancer, antioxidant. This is the vanilla.
Ah, sweet.
No, no, no.
Gaga ka talaga. Sige, mauna muna kayong umamoy, ha? Gigilak sa inyo. Oo nga.
Pwede ka na. May natira pa rin.
Ay, picture tayo.
Picture ba to?
Now we have the frangipani flower. In here we make body lotion, body oil, body scrub, perfume, and toothpaste. Oh, tas ka mag-smell ba?
Gilan niya. Kaya, iisip naman ni Kuya. So, ayun guys, makikita niyo. Paano ginagawa yung coffee. Ayan na nga. Bali coffee.
Ang bango.
Bali coffee.
This is combination.
Ay, mauna na kayo bago ko amoyin. Baka maubos. Ayaw ni siya. Baka magkansela. Hindi mo na, no? Next na ako. Oo.
All the processed raw coffee,
Parang gusto ko magpabayo kay Kuya. Amoy niya.
is masarap.
Masarap. Sadap. Coffee. Mix. Wow. Kayo na mag-try. Dali. Mag-interview tayo isa-isa ng mga ating mga dito. Hello, ma'am. Ano pong sabi po ninyo?
Pero daddy, parang po powder na.
Pwede bang iuwi ang ano para
Kaya yung